Welcome to UCkids, writing the letters. Hey kids, let's learn to draw standing lines. For this, you'll need a practice sheet and a pencil. To draw a standing line, we'll draw a line from top to bottom. Now get your pencil and start writing. Standing line, another standing line, another standing line. Let's draw some more standing lines. Small standing line, another small standing line, another small standing line. Let's draw some more standing lines. Great job! Keep practicing. UCkids.